coming to the side of your chair. I'm starting with my right leg to the side of the chair, and you do want to be holding on. So we've been working on a pose where we begin in cactus. We lift I have my right leg, my opposite leg comes up off the ground. This is flamingo. And now I take a deep breath in. As I exhale, I bring my elbow down and I lift my leg and bring it across my body as best as I can. Deep inhale as I stretch the body out in two directions. Exhale, elbow comes down, knee comes across. Notice I'm standing up tall. I'm not collapsing over. You inhale as you stretch the body nice and long. Exhale, reaching across. Inhale, open up wide. Exhale, reach across. Staying here. Taking your left hand, place it on the outside of your right leg. And now guide your right leg a little bit across your body if you can. You don't have to. You can just put your hand there. Keep your shoulders facing me. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, just turn your shoulders, turn your head to look toward your chair. So this is twisted flamingo. You have the option to work with your balance. So maybe you have one finger on your chair. And you also have the option to release your hand from the chair. So you're twisting and you're balancing. Look at something that's not moving. And now place your hand on the chair, put your leg down, and let's twist that out. We'll do everything to the other side. So walk around to the other side of your chair, holding on. We begin with one arm in cactus and we raise our knee up. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, the elbow comes down, the knee comes up and across. Inhale, straighten out in both directions. Exhale, come on down and across. Inhale, straighten out nice and long. Exhale, up and across. Keep your spine long and tall. One more time. Inhale, open up. Exhale, lift and stay here. Taking your right hand, place it on the outside of the left leg. And you have the option to pull your leg just a little bit more across the body. Take a deep breath in, stand up tall. Turn your chin, turn your shoulders to face toward your chair. Twisted flamingo. And now you have your balance options. You can place one finger on the chair, or if you feel ready, you can release your hand from the chair. Think how strong your body is right in this moment, everything that you're doing. Good for you. Place your hand on the chair and then let your leg down and shake it out. Do whatever feels right in your body. Maybe it's a hula hoop, maybe it's a couple of marches, whatever your body feels like it needs to just release.